I bet you did not know this. If you're a web designer, web developer, freelancer, anyone who basically designs and meddles with websites, you could get paid for installing privacy policies onto a client's website. I know it does not sound real, but you can turn the hyperlinks in your footer into recurring income for you. Plus, you can rest assured that your clients are protected from fines and lawsuits because no one likes that. So let me show you right now how your clients can protect themselves with website policies. Come on, you know me by now. I'm not a massive fan of footers. I kind of mention that quite a lot. Why do we have to have footers? You know, what's the point of all these links we have in there? But sometimes what we have there is very, very important. Especially the privacy policy one. And if you're thinking of jumping off right now, please don't do that, okay? Because I know I've mentioned something that a lot of us just don't care about. We have copy-paste templates and we just reuse and regurgitate them, right? We're all guilty of that. I mean, I'd love to know in the comments, how many of you have gone to a competitor's website and have just copy and pasted, and you might have just double checked it had the right email or the phone number on or something like that, but literally you haven't even properly read it. Why?
Because they're pretty damn boring.
Unfortunately, we do have to get a little bit serious about it because lawmakers around the world are cracking down on websites. Most of you will have a website that's collecting form submissions or payment details or just general information about someone. It's a scary world out there. The website privacy fines since it first came out, they've tripled, and now some businesses are getting fined like 5 figures. And I don't mean 00001, I mean 5 figures. Even I struggle to keep on top of it. I love to read up. I've got a law degree, but there's so many changes happening all the time. Privacy laws coming into effect. It's like non-stop. And I've gone and done some checks. There's 35 new privacy laws coming out, and 6 of them have already been passed and are coming into effect this year, 2023. When was the last time you reviewed or edited like a website you'd built and their privacy policy, or did you just walk away? We still have some form of responsibility towards them. And if you don't believe me, go and check out this website, enforcementtracker.com. This does only cover one of the privacy laws, GDPR. Yeah, we hate that acronym, but it covers that one there. Go and visit the fines and statistics page and just see how lawsuits are increasing year by year. And this is where we need a helping hand. And thankfully, there is a tool that will super easily create these website policies for us and help us to generate some recurring income.
Termageddon.
If you followed me, you know that I'm a big fan of Termageddon when I first came across them at an event. I mean, I love it when there's anything that helps you to generate solutions for your website, your designs, and what Termageddon does with their privacy policy generator is exactly that. It's easy to use. It's comprehensive. It will notify you of any changes. It updates your policies automatically. It's so clever how it works. There's a bit of code you embed. If the laws change or updated, it automatically feeds through and updates it. I mean, it's like privacy policy AI, but it's Termageddon AI. We should be scared, but no, don't be scared. Where's the bit of how you make money? So when you sign up with Termageddon, you make sure that you sign up as an agency partner, and you will get a free set of website policies for your website. Let me just say that again, a free set. All you've got to do is confirm or verify with Termageddon that you do provide website services, you build websites. You can't come on and say, hey, I clean Windows, I want a set of these. No, that won't work for you. Once you're verified and approved, you will get a free set of policies. You don't pay a penny. You don't even have to give them a credit card detail or your PayPal. Zilch. Nothing. Why would Termageddon do that? I mean, does it even make logical sense? Right, here you go. We've got these policies. We normally charge for them, but you sign up as an agency partner. We're going to give it to you for free. Why would they do that? Well, what they're hoping, and what's in it for you as well, is that you spread the love. You let everybody know about Termageddon. You let them know about these privacy policies, the fines. You don't scaremonger, but you're letting them know that we do have to protect ourselves. Now, I'm not asking you to force it down their neck, okay? If your clients go,
I'm not bothered.
you can get them to sign a waiver so that you are protected, and it releases you from the obligation or the responsibility then, because they basically were made aware and they were like,
no, I don't care.
Termageddon recently announced the latest year over $1 million was made by the agency partners. So how do you sign up? Well, there's actually two methods. It depends on whether you are providing web design services or not. So let's pretend you're not, okay? You go over to Termageddon.com, you register, and it will cost you $119 per year. Phenomenal peace of mind is how this continuously updates. You don't have to keep reading and researching and go, right, now I've got to add this clause in or this statement in. They do all the heavy lifting for you. But if you are a web agency or a web designer, then when you go to Termageddon.com, you go and click on Agency Partners, fill in the form, and then submit that. Remember, they're not going to be asking for any payment details from you. I'm going to pop a link in the video description. Yes, it is an affiliate link, but I do want to let you know I am not doing this to make you go and click my link and do it so that I make money as well. No, that's not what I'm doing it. So if you want to just go directly to Termageddon.com, bypass my link, go and do it. I'm just trying to advise you that this is something that is so overlooked by a lot of people. And I know a lot of you are looking at the screen going, well, I'm closing my eyes, so I'm not even looking. I'm telling you, do not make this mistake. Now, don't forget, when you sign up as an agency partner, you get these tools for free for your website. But for your clients, the charge isn't $119 per client. It's actually $42.24 per year. You don't need to tell the client that you got that license for $42.24. You can charge them the $119. By signing up, you're getting the ability to get these licenses at a cheaper rate. But then what you charge back to your client is entirely up to you. But if you're not bothered about doing that, the whole reseller program, even after you've signed up as an agency partner, you could just provide them with an affiliate link. And when they click that link, you will get a cut of commission as well. It may feel a little bit overwhelming, especially when you start to talk to clients. Like even by me just talking about this, you have to stop and think a bit. And I bet you're going, well, I never really thought it was that serious. And like, I've been copy and pasting the same one for the last 20 odd years and no one's ever bothered me. I understand that, but I would seriously say go and look at some of the guidance that they have on the Termageddon.com website. But also, when you are speaking to your clients, if they don't want to take it seriously, make sure they sign that waiver form, and that is provided to you by Termageddon. How many times has your client kind of done something and they go, is that okay? Can I get away with that? Or a sale price, or can I just pop this policy in? Or I went to my competitor, I got their terms and conditions and I changed the address at the bottom. Is that okay? Is it really for us to now analyse and say, yeah, that ticks all the boxes? Are we the legal experts? So if they don't want to go for it, just get them to sign that waiver, okay? Because it protects you and it means that they understand as well what they signed out of. What are you waiting for? Why are you not clicking and going there right now? It's going to take you about 10 seconds. Go and click the agency partners link. The link is in the video description. Or go and type Termageddon.com. That might cost you an extra 2 seconds. I don't know how quick you type. But go and protect yourself, your agency, and what you love doing, which is building websites and, of course, generating a little bit of extra recurring income. And one more thing, if there was a Transformer telling the Autobots and the Decepticons to stop fighting and what their rights were, their name would be
Termageddon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.